Halor ke jingkam jong seng NPP. U MDC Katura u Bernard Marak. Ula pencai badai mau belawan ra ya kene ke motion ha ke arpunyo terik unai wiang ha kesnam ke belalet. Dari executive committee ke pemerintah ke puar kam shimlap liang namar bodu MDC nak liang persya ke tanah keseng BJP. Ula kena bagi sarkar jela ke dan keti ha ke ban penjelan nak samoi jong ke executive committee ha Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Na kebenta ka jingbet jingbiang jong keseng NPP. Ubernat ula kentu yu ulat bahadian kakat pratrik uyayong deban pentrikam no da ka jing sensyar ulat ha Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Ula ong ba kalong ka babet ban peniyat ka council ha ka keti ulat kenang ban penkrek bah ya ka electoral roll ban penlong election ka bakut ban om ban ailat ka executive committee ban penjelan ka samoy trikam ka ba penbet tang ya ka wei keseng.
State government has taken the initiative to extend the term of the present EC. That can be explained by the state government. In spite of saying that they are not interfering in the matters of district council, but politically, it is all being maneuvered by the same political party which is running the state.
Halor ke jingkem ginong yalam seng balang Ubernat Marak bedu MDC ketura ula keno bagani ke jing jabaro ke dena mar ke jing lek menti ginong yalam ke sengsan partai ki baklem shimkia ya ke jinglong jingman harlum garo ula dawa bade ban pelat no ikitu ke belas syakem namar kani ke de GHADC Paidbah. Halor ke jing syak keno ke kongres ula kentat du ke jing keno ba ke seng kongres bad ula ken mau ba ke jing penkulumar kelajan ke daw we kurtong ke kongres ubam de uri ulum ubala persang jubor ban tap kerteng wada pedang gejeng persya ke Paidbah. Ubernat Marak ula penkut ag bong bo ulat ula kular ban shimik senjam ki bakloi halor ka special intensive revision bat ula kentu ulat ban nong bapet ngor ban dai ka 6th schedule badai ka hok jong kiri ulum.
Because the entire issue sparked because of a Congress candidate, a non-tribal candidate, who forcefully came to file a nomination. A non-tribal, his name is Momini. He was former MLA and MDC also. So he was a congressman. He came to file a nomination in spite of so much of opposition from the people. So who started the fire? So stop pointing at anybody without verifying the facts. And about the people who have been arrested, I don't think they are from any political party. This is a mass movement. So everybody has come out. Everybody has maybe certain youths have been seen through CCTV. So that cannot be claimed that they belong to certain political party or certain group or certain civil society groups or civil like certain areas. That cannot be claimed. It is a mass this one no? Even. Yes, there is a demand to release the arrested leaders of civil society groups and even youths, some youths. So, but I don't know what the government will, how government will deal with it. But there is a general demand that these people should be released because see, the entire issue it rose because of the uh, negligence of the political leaders who did not respond to the uh, prevailing situation in Garo Hills. It has actually escalated the entire situation in Garo Hills. So if anybody has to be blamed, the delay. It's the delay of the political leaders whose response would have actually sorted out the problem.